So hello mga kachar, I'm recording this video far from my phone. I'm testing this mic from DJI. This is DJI Mic Mini 2. Recording far away from the mobile phone mga kachar, no? So yun yung ano natin, yung mobile phone natin. And you can see how far I am to my mobile phone. So, yun, no? Grabe ang layo na. So, we'll check the clarity of the reception of this DJI Mic Mini 2. And let's go forward a little. So, let's go. Kung makukuha pa ba niya yung to test kung gaano kalayo yung makukuha niya from the transmitter to the receiver. So we will just stop here with the white car or the L300. So this is where I am right now. So ang layo ko na mga kacharno, and marami pang dumadaan ng mga car, and I don't know kung makikita pa ba ako ni Ice nito. So again, we are recording this mic, DJI Mic Mini 2. So, yun. I think my camera woman is Ice, Kanika Ice, no? So, tinutulungan niya tayo ngayon para makuha natin yung Let's go. Let's go back.